So last year when hubby and I were in Tavira in Portugal, we went into this fabulous traditional little Portuguese restaurant and had tuna with onions. I've got a couple of pieces of yellowfin tuna here. I'm going to pat them dry on both sides. Season with salt and pepper. Dribble on a bit of lemon juice. And then just let those sit for about half an hour at room temperature. I've got 2 decent sized potatoes here which I've cut into wedges. You could bake them or fry them, but these are going in my air fryer. I've got 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan and I'm going to get it nice and hot. Now I'll add the tuna just to sear on both sides. After about a minute, flip them over. And after another minute, remove from the pan and pop them on a plate. Now turn the heat down a bit, toss in a bay leaf and 2 large onions that have been sliced. Don't slice them too thinly. Now cook these down a bit. Once the onions have gone soft and translucent, add in a couple of sliced bell peppers. Cook these until they too are soft. Oh, I nearly forgot the 2 garlic cloves cut into chunks. Mustn't forget those. Silly tickly. As the peppers start to soften, add in about half a cup of white wine. Give it a stir, then add in a chopped tomato, a big pinch of thyme, or 2 big pinches if you like, season with salt, and continue cooking for another 3 or 4 minutes. And finally add in just a splash of red wine vinegar. Put the tuna steaks on the veggies, together with any juices. Cover the tuna with the veggies, turn the heat right down, cover and simmer for 5 minutes to finish cooking the tuna. Now let's serve. Create an outer wall of potato wedges, place a tuna steak in the centre, then cover it with the onions and peppers. Now you don't need to go to the Algarve to enjoy this delicious recipe. This is such a stunningly simple dish, yet it is tremendous and so easy to make if you can get the tuna. Join me next time in my very busy kitchen. Until then, bye!